Ready to ditch the realtor and sell your home yourself? First, head over to Zillow.com and click on the List Your Home button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. On the next screen, you will see a few options. Choose the For Sale by Owner option. This ensures you're listing the property independently. Now, type in your property address in the provided field and select it from the drop-down menu to confirm. Fill in all the details about your property, like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and lot size. Be as accurate as possible to attract the right buyers. Upload high-quality photos of your home. Showcase each room, the exterior, and any special features like a backyard or renovated kitchen. The more appealing the photos, the better. Set your price. Zillow often provides estimated values and comparable sales in your area. Research thoroughly to determine a competitive price. Review all the information you've entered. Read the terms and conditions carefully, and then hit the Publish button to make your listing live on Zillow. Now you are ready to sell. Fsbo.